My good people, and welcome back to Anointed Lady TV. We be your #1 channel for legitimate news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our nation, Nigeria. And as usual, we don't come with breaking news, we don't come with updates. And the cocoa be say, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, will be Nnamdi Kanu, he don't come outside come make a sad and important declaration. He say he dey willing, he ready to remain in detention for the rest of his life until a proper and impartial judge can handle this in case. You know say currently Nnamdi Kanu dey face trial before Justice Binta Nyako of the Abuja Federal High Court on terrorism-related charges. And the IPOB leader is not happy at all. This man dey para where he no get joy. In the year now say this in case now mago don too full am. And he say men they deliberately, that is, they know they shield them from better judge. They don't want to make better judge handle this in case. They don't want to make better justice can deliver impartial judgment to this in case. They want to make it be say now only mago judge now can do mago business so that he no will get in freedom. And he claims that the federal government now they behind this Jaguda movement. He said the federal government no one give him a fair trial at all. They want to make in detention continue. They want making last bear RIP in the hands of the Department of State Services, will be DSS. And no be lie, my good people. Nnamdi Kanu will be the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. Now since the year 2021, I didn't detain now. The first grab am for inside Kenya, then they come move and come with nation Nigeria. Now upon say one appeal court to the Sudan for inside Abuja be done discharge and set Nnamdi Kanu free of all charges. The Nigerian government don't refuse. They don't say lie, they don't go grant Nnamdi Kanu his freedom. Now for inside one open letter, Nnamdi Kanu can drop the details. He now can yarn about the executive and judicial fraud where in they believe say them plaster against them. He now talk plenty things for inside this open letter, my good people. He mentioned some kind of instances. He mentioned one 2017 judgment where declare IPOB a lawful group. And he still mentioned another 2022 ruling where declare his extraordinary rendition, that is as a Baba for inside Kenya come with nation Nigeria, they can detain him as unconstitutional. And just for inside last week here, Nnamdi Kanu launched a verbal attack on Justice Binta Nyako shortly after a hearing before the judge. And Nnamdi Kanu dey yarn say the reason wetin make Justice Binta Nyako continue with this in trial, the reason why she no wan wash her hand comot for in case last na sake of the ongoing corruption cases against her husband and her son. He say last Justice Binta Nyako dey use her position for personal gain because her son and her husband dey face corruption charges, and the federal government can't tell her wey be the judge and the court say if they fit convict him wey be Nnamdi Kanu, if they fit make sure say this in trial Nnamdi Kanu no get in freedom last say they go free his son and his husband. They will drop the charges against them. So according to Nnamdi Kanu, that's now why Justice Binta Nyako they do the things what she they do. That's now why she no fit dey fair about the matter, and that's now why she no fit wash her hand come up for the case. And my good people, more no forget, because of the drama we play out for inside court the last time, it make Justice Binta Nyako call adjourn the case indefinitely. That is to say, not till further notice. Now, anyhow, this informate be for body, or if you get contributions about the matter, feel free make it drop them inside our comment section. Meanwhile, Nigerian lawyers now don't react to a controversial incident where they involve the leader of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, and his lawyer, Aloy Ejimako. Now they explain how they could respond if a client shouts at them, as Nnamdi Kanu shout at his counsel. Now you get one video like that that don't go viral for internet, and that video they show Nnamdi Kanu for inside courtroom. And for that video, Nnamdi Kanu the para where he no get joy. He dey talk plenty things. He dey talk say the Nigerian government no know the law. Say normally the chief judge no supposed to tell Justice Binta Nyako what to do. And for inside that same video, Nnamdi Kanu can shout at his counsel. He can order this in counsel make he know they talk when him will be Nnamdi Kanu they talk. Now many country people understand why in the para, many they feel in pain, many know wetin in they go through. Even though they didn't wear the shoe, they still know say the thing they pain and well, he no get joy. Now why they understand why in they shout, you understand? But for inside separate interviews with some legal practitioners, them with some lawyers, they come they yarn say even if they dey do their job normally, they go maintain professionalism in the face of physical aggression, and that's very much essential, that's very much important. And the boundaries of respect and safety must never be crossed. One senior advocate said the yarn say it was disastrous of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to talk down on his lawyer. The way they come ask am whether if na him, wetin him go do? If na him wey be the lawyer of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and they come shout for am, wetin him go do? How him go take handle the situation? Him say make that time reach first o, but last all lawyers must make sure say the dignity, integrity, sanctity and respect of the profession must not be lowered by anybody. That is, make dem no let anybody come dey look down on them. Then another country person, another legal practitioner come dey yarn say if na him wey Mazi Nnamdi Kanu shout for, he say sharparly him go respond o. Him go ask Mazi Nnamdi Kanu say wetin he mean by that statement, say don talk when I'm talking, wetin he mean by that? He say him for challenge the utterance of the detained leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He go be like, who give you the audacity? Which kind ododo wey you get wey come make you dey shout for me? And the legal practitioner comes to the yarn say wetin Mazi Nnamdi Kanu suppose do be say him for write an apology letter and him for read and give the general public, make dem no too vex for am, so cause say him shout for a legal counsel. Because last him may be a legal practitioner, he no fit compromise standards as a lawyer. It is very much unfortunate, and he no dey tolerate nonsense. So therefore, he no fit be him wey go dey that kind of situation. He no go fit close mouth at all. Then another legal practitioner come dey condemn the outburst of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He come dey yarn say that's na tyrannical attitude. Say wetin Mazi Nnamdi Kanu display, e no make sense at all. And he observe say the lawyer sef can't even keep quiet because of the kind of client wey Mazi Nnamdi Kanu be. He say if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu be ordinary client normally, whether him think say the lawyer for take that kind of nonsense from am. But because of say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na money bag, because say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na odogu, and last it come become an economic issue. Now why the lawyer just do the calms? Now why he no talk plenty about the matter? So this my good people, now the comments wey dey come from some legal practitioners wey told people do interview with. But you out there now, if you be legal practitioner or you as a country person, how you feel about the matter? If na you wey Mazi Nnamdi Kanu holla for like that, how you go take react? I'm no forget the reason why the man dey para, if it be say the case don too tire am. I no be lie. Since 2021, na him don dey for detention, and the way they do the case, e no dey favourable at all. It thing reach to tire person. So anyhow the thing be for body, or if you get contributions about the matter, feel free make it drop am inside our comment section. You know say now we be Anointed Lady TV, and our hobby na to dey give on our legitimate informate on the things and things wey dey go on for inside this our green white green country wey be Nigeria. So if you like this update and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring more news they come, like go first receive the update and you go even get them sharp. Me dey come your side again to another legit news for you, my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.